Hey guys, welcome back for another video. My name is Natara, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning for another video, welcome back. Today guys is going to be a cook and clean with me, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around to the end.
Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Okay, you guys, we're going to be starting out in the kitchen. Today I will be cooking some turkey sausages with onions and bell peppers and rice, as well as some broccoli. You guys, this is my first time using these sausages, and this will be my last time using these sausages because they was not really all that good, but I did cook those sausages that day, and that's what we ate that day, but never again will I buy those sausages. But anyway, you guys, I'm just going to start out by cutting up the turkey sausages, and then I will proceed to cut up the onions and the bell peppers. Okay, you guys, I would like to introduce myself for the ones who are new. My name is Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organization, and anything that pertains to mom life. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And also, you guys, let me know what type of dishes that you like to cook on a quick and easy night. Tonight, it was just the sausages, onions, and bell peppers over rice and broccoli. So yeah, you guys, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to continue to chop these sausages up, and then I will place those in the pan and then proceed to chopping the bell peppers and the onions. And I am also left-handed, you guys. I promise you, I am not going to cut myself, because this is literally how I learned how to use a knife. I used to have to get my mom to cut everything up for me until I learned how to use a knife. And I really didn't learn how to use a knife properly until I was just about grown. You guys, leave me some of your recipes down in the comment section, or if you have Pinterest and have some pinned, send them to me in my DM over on Instagram. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram or Facebook, my handles are the Johnson's Life 2285. So I would love to have you guys over on my Instagram and my Facebook. I try to post over there often, but I am, you know, kind of active over there. So okay, now that everything's in the pan, I'm going to take my wooden spatula and stir everything, as well as add some olive oil so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And then I will place the top so that the heat from the fire will stay within the pan, and cook these on low. Okay, you guys, now it's time for me to cook the rice. The type of rice I'm using today is the jasmine rice, and this rice here doesn't stick to each other, so we have really been enjoying this kind of rice. We will usually use like the parboiled rice, but the jasmine rice is much better. And also, I'm going to place some salt in the water, and voila, the rice is done. As you can see, you guys, the rice is done, and it's not sticking to each other. Right here, I'm just going to add the broccoli to this little saucepan, and add a little water and some salt, and we're going to let it steam for a good 5 to 10 minutes. come in and show you guys the vacuum that the company Toppin sent me to try out. Right here, my husband, he is getting everything all together. He's taking it out of the box, and also he will be putting it together for me. But I want to let you guys know that this vacuum retails for $139.99. So if you're in the market for an inexpensive vacuum, this would be the vacuum to get. Also, you guys, this vacuum is cordless. It also comes with the handheld vacuum, the wall mount set, the screw package for the wall mount, the crevice tool, the 2-in-1 dusting brush, the floor brush, the extension hose, the power adapter, and the cutter knife to cut like hair and stuff from under the bottom, as well as the user manual. Also, you guys, I have used this vacuum. I have used it. You'll see in a minute that I used it right here on my hardwood floors, and it does picks up the debris that's on the floor, as well as I used it in my son's room, and it picked up a whole lot of dust out of his room when I vacuumed that little pass. And also, you guys, you have to get used to it being very flimsy. I'm really not used to it being flimsy, but it is a good vacuum. And also, you guys, you know that I do have the Dyson, and also I have the Shark Rocket 2, I think that's what it is. And those are very, very powerful. And this suction on this vacuum is really good as well. Right here, I'm just taking the crevicle tool to go along the baseboards, because my husband had just cut hair right here, and hair was on the baseboards. And you guys, it got it all up. And as you can see right here, I'm in my son's room, and the vacuum kept turning off because I kept holding the trigger. But do not hold the trigger, because it will not stay on if you hold the trigger. And also, you guys, it picked up a whole lot of stuff within this little small span time of me vacuuming this little part of his room. This is everything that came up off of that little spot where I was vacuuming, you guys. So this vacuum works on carpet, but it doesn't work on that really, really fluffy carpet. So yeah, you guys, I give this vacuum a good 8 out of 10. But I would recommend this vacuum if you're in the market of getting a vacuum and you don't want to break the bank. So thank you so much, Toppin, for reaching out to me to do this product review. And yeah, you guys, I will leave the links to this vacuum so that you guys can go over to Amazon or to Toppin to pick it up. So right here, I'm just in the kitchen. It's after dinner, and I'm just going to be cleaning the kitchen. As you can see, I am taking everything out of the sink because I had these dishes soaking from earlier. So I'm just taking them out of the sink and cleaning the sink out. I like to clean my sink out before I begin to wash dishes again. So that's what I'm doing here. Now that I have the sink clean, I'm just going to be using the usual, the Ajax with bleach, as well as the chlorine bleach, the gel kind, in my water. And then yeah, you guys, I'm just going to proceed to put the dishes into the water, and then I will begin to unload the dishwasher. You guys, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also share this video. It really helps out my channel. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you have made it this far. Leave me a broom emoji if you have made it this far. That lets me know that you are enjoying my content, and also it is very motivating. Also, I forgot to mention that I will be having some help in the kitchen on tonight to tonight my husband and our daughter is going to be helping out in the kitchen, so you will see them later on in the video. Okay, so now I'm just going to begin hand washing these dishes. You guys, I like to hand wash these dishes before I put them in the dishwasher, because sometimes if I don't hand wash them, the dishwasher doesn't get them all the way clean. So this is what I like to do. And I know a lot of people have messaged me and asked me, why am I double working? The reason is I just like to do it this way. This is my preferred method, and I think that the dishes get really clean by me hand washing them and then putting them in the dishwasher. So, yeah.
Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. Feel like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list.
Now that I am done hand washing the dishes, I'm just going to go ahead and place them in the dishwasher. And I'm going to use the Cascade gel as well as some bleach in the dishwasher.
We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got the system of faith.
Now that I am done washing the dishes, I'm just going to get the sink all clean, and I will be using the what is it called? Oh, the soft scrub to clean my sink. So yeah, you guys, that's what I'm about to do here, is just get it all cleaned out so that it will be all shiny.
I like it all with the cherry on top.
And also the kids are putting up the candles from the last time that we had a storm here, so that's what they're doing. They're getting the candles and they're putting them back under the cabinet.
The things I love, be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love.
You guys, this is my favorite part of cleaning the kitchen, because I love to see the sudsing up, as well as I love to see them going down the drain.
You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
Okay, you guys, we're moving on over to the other side of the kitchen. My husband is over here on this side. He's going to be cleaning the stove with the barkeeper spray, the powder version. And also he's going to be wiping down the countertops with the kitchen cleaner in the grapefruit scent.
I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, love, the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, love, the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Okay guys, as you can see, we're back over here on the other side. Jada is using the kitchen cleaner in the grapefruit scent, and she's going to clean the countertops off over here. Okay, you guys, the only thing I'm going to do here is vacuum the floor with my Dyson, and this will be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. It really means a lot to me. But please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, comment down below, and also make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye guys.